In this topic, we shall learn how to find out rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Look at these integers. You can see that there are four integers between -2 and 3. But there is no integer between -1 and 0, or between 1 and 2. But in case of rational numbers, you can have a number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers as shown. Let's see how we can find out such rational. Let's find out rational numbers between -5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Here, the denominators of both the fractions are the same. So we need to find out the integers between the numerators -5 and 6. These are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, rational numbers between -5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are as shown. Let's find out the equivalent fraction of the rational number 3 upon 7. For this, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator of the given rational number by the same non-zero integer. Let that non-zero integer be 5. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator of 3 upon 7 by 5, we get 15 upon 35 as the fraction equivalent to 3 upon 7. Similarly, if we multiply the numerator and the denominator of 3 upon 7 by 8, we get 24 upon 56 as the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 7. Let's see how we can find out rational numbers between two rational numbers using equivalent. Let's find out three rational numbers between -3 upon 5 and -4 upon 5. For this, we need to find out the equivalent fraction of -3 upon 5, which is -15 upon 25. Also, the equivalent fraction of -4 upon 5 is -20 upon 25. So, three rational numbers between -3 upon 5 and -4 upon 5 are -16 upon 25, -17 upon 25, and -18. Let's look at another method of finding out rational numbers between two rational numbers. For this, consider the given example. Now, to find out rational numbers between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4, we will find out the average of these two numbers. For this, add 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4 and divide the sum by 2. This is equal to 5 upon 8. Now, let's find out another rational number between 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 8 by calculating the average of these two numbers. So, the second rational number is 9 upon 16. Now, find out the average of 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 4 to get the third rational number. This is equal to 11 upon 16. Hence, we get the three rational numbers as 5 upon 8, 9 upon 16, and 11 upon 16. Here's another example. To get the first rational number between -1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2, we will first find out the average of the given numbers. This is equal to 1 upon 12. Now, we will find out the average of -1 upon 3 and 1 upon 12 to get a rational number between these two numbers. This is equal to -3 upon 24. Again, let's find out the average of 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 12 to get a rational number between these two numbers. This is equal to 7 upon 24. Thus, three rational numbers between -1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 are 1 upon 12, -3 upon 24, and 7 upon 24. Let us solve one more example. To find out the first rational number between 5 and 6, let's find out the average of these two numbers. This is equal to 11 upon 2. Similarly, another rational number between 5 and 11 upon 2 is 21 upon 4. Between 21 upon 4 and 11 upon 2 is 43 upon 8. And between 6 and 11 upon 2 is 23 upon 4. Hence, four rational numbers between 5 and 6 are 11 upon 2, 21 upon 4, 43 upon 8, and 23 upon 4. Let's summarize all that we have studied in this topic. We can find out infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer does not change the value of the rational number. We can find out rational numbers between any two rational numbers by making their denominators equal or by calculating the average of the